Hope you're fine. I'm also in good condition. Welcome back to Ateeq Dental Care English. Usually, our teeth outer surface, that is enamel, is smooth, but in certain condition, due to frequent intake of coffee, teas, use of iron supplements, there are staining over the teeth surfaces that make the teeth surfaces rough. During different dental procedures like scaling of the teeth, cleaning of the teeth, the scratches over the outer surface of the enamel make it more rough. What is the consequences of roughness of enamel surface? If we talk regarding the gingiva, then there will be gingivitis, periodontitis, and ultimate removal of the teeth. If we talk about teeth structure, then there will be tooth decay, mobility of the tooth. So these are very harmful consequences of rough tooth surfaces. Usually at home our toothpaste contains certain polishing agent like silica that will polish the outer surface of the teeth, but even after that sometimes the roughness will not resolve. Then we have to visit our dentist. Dentist will examine our teeth and make decision whether they need polishing or not. If our teeth are rough due to any reason like previous scaling history, due to certain staining like iron stains, coffee stains, tea stains, then we need polishing of the teeth. How polishing is done in dental office? For polishing, we need certain devices and materials. First of all, we need a polishing brush inserted in a slow speed handpiece for polishing of the teeth. Second, polishing paste. Polishing paste in the jar is visible in green color there. Polishing paste usually contain pumice, silica, and a very important thing for freshness of our breath, that is mint. Usually the polishing paste are mint flavored so that after polishing of the teeth the patient goes to home with a fresh breath without any halitosis or bad smell from the mouth. So polishing has diversity of function. The most important is smoothing of the teeth surface. How we do it? First of all, we apply a certain amount of polishing paste over the teeth surface, and then with the help of the polishing brush move from gum to the teeth surface, from gingiva or gum to the teeth surface in vertical direction. We move in the vertical direction for the upper teeth and for lower from downward to the upper direction in the opposite direction, and we apply over the all teeth surfaces in the mouth and then wait for 2 to 3 minutes and then apply the polishing brush that polish the teeth surfaces. What is the advantage of these polishing? Interestingly, even for the artificial dentures, artificial fillings like this one, an acrylic denture, we have to buff it, polish it so that it will prevent from any staining, any plaque formation, or any calculus formation over the acrylic surface. Same in the case of natural teeth, we have a rough surface, then we have to polish that particular rough surface in order to prevent it from the tooth decay or dental caries, gum disease, gingivitis, periodontitis, and the most important thing is bad breath or bad smell from our mouth. So always visit your dentist twice in a year so that after examining the condition of your teeth, if there is roughness in any tooth or teeth, then dentist will immediately polish that rough surface and convert it into a smooth surface. As this is a technical problem, if this surface is rough, the bacteria will adhere to it engage in the roughened area or the gaps in the surface of the enamel. But if it is smooth, even, then bacteria will slip down or slide down from the surface. Bacteria will unable to adhere to the smooth surface. So smoothness of the enamel of the teeth is prerequisite for good health of the teeth and the gums. So you can check by yourself by just placing your finger of the teeth surface and move from upward to downward the smoothness of your teeth. If your teeth are smooth and even and there is no roughness, then your teeth are in good condition. So always consult your dentist, especially twice a year, to rule out any problem which is in the early stage in your mouth, so that early treatment will cure it promptly. Hopefully this video will be informative to you. If any question related to this video, you can ask in the comment box. And also like, subscribe and share the channel so that further information will be delivered to you. Thank you.